When you want to make parfait at home, this is exactly the type of video that you want to watch. If you've ever wondered how to make that really tasty parfaits that you buy in store, then you want to watch this video. I always use a mixture of Greek yogurt and drinking yogurt. I scoop some Greek yogurt into my bowl, depending on how many parfaits I'm going to be baking, and then I go in with some drinking yogurt to just loosen up the Greek yogurt. Next, I go in with a little bit of condensed milk. Trust me, a little goes a long way, so you don't want to use too much. You want to give this a really nice mix till everything is well combined, and trust me, you would have this really sweet tasting yogurt mix that is absolutely perfect for your parfait. Now, you also know you need granola. I have a detailed recipe on how to make your granola at home here on my channel, so check that out. And then you need your assorted types of fruits. So now into your cup, into your jar, whatever it is you're using to make your parfait, you want to gently layer your yogurt, your granola, some more yogurt, and then you want to go in with your fruits of choice. Please, there is no perfect way of making this. Just assemble as you see me doing in this video or how you like. So I also layered some diced up apples, then I went in with some more granola, and then I go in with the yogurt mix again. Now, if you're just seeing my channel for the first time, trust me, you want to subscribe to this channel for more yummy recipes like this. I always love to add bananas into my parfait, and trust me, once you add bananas into your parfait, you're going to really love it. It has this very mild, sweet and lush taste that it gives to your parfait. Also, you want to add in some blueberries and grapes, or even strawberries if you have, and there you have it. One of the tip I would like to share is that you want to allow your parfait sit in the fridge for at least an hour to 2 so that everything soaks up nicely, and when you dig into this, it will be really delicious. Now let me know if you enjoyed this recipe and what other recipes you'd love me to show you on this channel, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.